In this video, we'll connect Databrick with Tableau for a smooth integration. So I'll be taking you through step-by-step process to establish a secure and efficient connection between Databrick and Tableau. And we'll import the data from Tableau. Will not be visualizing the data because that is what I'll be doing in this short video. And let's start. So as you can see, this is our Azure Databrick platform, and I'm going to compute. Here I'll click on my warehouse connection details. So I'll select Tableau, then download connection file, and here is my file. So I'll click on this file. So you can see Tableau Desktop is opening. And at the same time, it is also verifying my credential for Databricks platform, which is done. If I go to data source, so we are connected. As you can see, edit connection. If I go to edit connection, you can see it has everything, authentication and all those stuff. So let's go with the sample, and we'll start with the sample, and let's have some data. NYC taxi, and then after selecting table, let's have some data into this place. As you can see, data is here. One more thing that I'll show you. There is another way of doing the same thing. Let's go back to Databrick, and this time, instead of connection file, we'll download workbook file. So this is TWB file. So if I'll click on this, it will open. And again, it is asking me to sign in into my Databrick platform. It's confirmed, authentication confirmed, and as you can see, it automatically migrated a dashboard from my Azure Databrick to this place. And also, if you want to change the data sources, so let's go to previous one. So I'll see. So I want to connect to this particular data set, which is in my workspace, and data set is this. So data space is workspace and BS sales, and I want to connect to this table. So if I'll put this data set here, let's put this. So this is the data set I want to see now. And so how to connect with this data? I'll go to, so my path will be workspace, BS sales, and then I have this table, Kingfisher BS sales. So workspace, Tableau Desktop is executing a query. That's done. Then let's have the database, which is BS sales. Then it has a table which starts with K. So let's search for that table, which is this. And now we have, let's try to do this thing into other Tableau workbook, which is this. Yes. So this. Okay. So workspace. BS sales. Kingfisher monthly sales. And drag this data over there. So as you can see, we don't want this data. So my BS sales data is there. I'll update the view. So this is first 100 rows of my data. If I'll go to sheet and if I drag product name, so these are the product names, and if I'll count the order IDs into this, so measure count distinct, and so this should be numbers. So as you can see, we have connected successfully with the Azure Databricks and we started analyzing our data. The same if I click on this. So let's go with this. So we can do whatever we want to do into this. So I hope you like this video. Tune in for more videos like this. See you soon.